In today's video, I am going to teach you how to check old history in Google Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you are in the browser window and ready to access the main menu. In the top right corner of Chrome, click the three dots. From this menu, move your cursor over History, or select it directly depending on how your version of Chrome displays the menu. Then click History again to open the full history page. Once the history page opens, you will see a list of websites and pages that were visited in the past. If you are trying to find a specific website, you do not need to scroll through everything manually. At the top of the history page, use the search bar to look for specific keywords or website names. This is the fastest way to check old history in Google Chrome, especially if you remember part of the page title or the name of the site you visited. Type your keyword into the search bar, then review the matching results that appear below. When looking through the results, pay attention to page titles and website addresses, since that can help you identify the exact page you want. If the result you need appears, you can click it to open that page again. If your history does not show the page you expected, keep in mind that some entries may not appear if browsing history was cleared or if the page was visited in a private browsing session. That covers everything you need to know.